This is AFK model YK001 IR thermometer. So today I will explain you how to use this thermometer. So it is a simple, easy to use thermometer. Just if you want to measure any temperature, so just you have to press this thing, and you can see the thermometer temperature values. And there is like a body, you can measure the body temperature or surface temperature. If you want to measure, now it is in the body temperature mode. If you want to change it to surface temperature mode, you need to use the mode button. So if you press one time, it will change to surface mode, and if you press once again, it will change to body temperature mode. So like this, using the mode button, you can change surface to body, body to surface. And if you want to change it to switch on, change it to degree centigrade to degrees Fahrenheit, you need to use the set button. Actually, set has three functions: function 1, function 2 and function 3. Function 1 and function 2 are for setting the temperature range values for red and orange colors. So we will use function 3 for changing Fahrenheit to degree centigrade. So to change it, you need to press this set button more than 3 seconds. So it will go to F1. F1, you can change the range of green color or red color or orange color temperature. Then if you press once again 3 seconds, it will go to F2 mode. So once again you can press this set button for 3 seconds, it will go to F3 mode. In the F3 mode, you can change to degrees Fahrenheit to degree centigrade using the mode button. So if you press mode button, it will go to degree centigrade, and once again if you press again, so you can switch between degrees Fahrenheit and degree centigrade using the mode button. So after the change is done, you can just have to press this, and it will so now it will show degree centigrade. So if you want to switch off the beep sound, so this set button can be used for that one. And if you press one time, the beep sound is off. One more time, beep sound is on. So this is how you have to use the IR thermometer.